guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get ready with me makeup look using BALI Body. If you don't know what BALI Body is, basically they are an Australian tanning company. They also have some cosmetics that I will be trying out today. And I personally have not tried out their tanning products. I am not going to be trying those out today, but I am going to be trying out some other products. For example, I am wearing this body oil, and as you can see, it's like very shiny and like very bronzy. This is what the product is, the BALI Body Shimmering Body Oil. It smells so delicious. Definitely go check out their website down below. I'll link it. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up down below, and then make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So I'm first going to be applying a priming moisturizer, and this moisturizer really just keeps my face very dewy and fresh, obviously without being dry or anything. This smells super good, and I already have like a nice glow, like without even putting on any extra product. Okay, and the second primer I'll be using is a pore filling primer. I use about 1 pump just to make sure that all of my pores are concealed. Next, I'm going to be taking the BALI Body BB Cream. This is to protect and correct. This is what it looks like. I am in the shade Natural. It says a multitasking beauty cream that combines hydrating skincare benefits to protect, correct, and perfect the skin while providing flawless coverage. I'm just going to apply some all over my face. Okay, so this is how much I applied on my face, and now I'm just going to blend it out with this brush. And this isn't supposed to like cover all of your acne, it's just supposed to like cover your skin, basically be like a second skin. Days like if you're going to the gym, or if you're going to an amusement park, or just to the beach, or wherever you want, this will be perfect. This is actually a perfect everyday BB cream for me because I don't like to have a lot of you know, foundation on my skin, and I really like this because it gives like a nice tint. It's lightweight and it smells pretty good. And now I'm going to take some concealer and go over some spots that need some extra help, and just cause like in the center of my cheeks, because that's where I like the most coverage, a little on my forehead. You guys seen me do this many times in my videos, but if you're new, then hello. If I was going to an event with my friends or something, I would want something that's like very light in coverage, just so it's like if I sweat or anything, I'm not like looking all gross, because I feel like the less makeup you have on, the more like your skin can breathe. Okay, so I was looking at the BALI Body Instagram, and I was looking at all of the models or the girls that were on the account, and I saw that they were all very like glowy from within, like very bronzed and tan. And their face makeup, it was like very light in coverage, and just it looked very nice and like beachy. So I'm also going to try and like recreate that. I'm using a liquid bronzer really quick just to be as like a base. Just going to blend it out like this, just like how I would with any other bronzer. And now I'm going to do a cheek tint. I'm just going to apply a little bit on my finger and put some up here. And I'm going to blend it out with that same brush just because, you know, I'm lazy. I really love this color and this product. It just looks so nice. Okay guys, don't worry, I did not forget about powder. I just wanted to do the kind of like liquid part of my face first before I used powder. I've been using this powder a lot recently, which is weird because I was like obsessed with my Cover FX powder, but I don't know, I've just been using this more and I really like it. So I'm just putting this all over where I normally put powder, but I'm not baking today because with this powder I don't feel the need to bake because it just keeps me oily free all day without the baking. And now for some bronzer. I'm not going to use a lot because I already did a liquid bronzer, so I'm not going to be applying too much, just enough to kind of set that base. And I'm going to be using a very glowy blush because just gotta stick with the glowy trend. I'm not going to put too much because blush can kind of get scary if I put too much. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm first just going to comb them out really quick, just so I know they're not like tangled or anything. Bye. Now I'm going to take some tinted brow gel, and I'm basically just going to brush them up and away, and then I'm going to fix it a billion times because if they're not the same, it makes me very mad. Alright guys, you guessed it, I'm doing a bronzy eyeshadow look because I'm just trying to match what I'm promoting. You know, gotta do like a nice brown smoky eye to match some tan skin, you know what I mean? Alright, so I am using the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette, and I am going to go into a nice coconut shade because it's called a coconut cream. I'm going to go into a light transition shade just to kind of build on top of that white. So I'm zooming you guys in just a little bit so you guys can see it more clearly, even though like I'm doing the most basic eyeshadow look ever, so it's fine. Okay, and I'm just going to take a flat brush and use that same shade just to put on like my outer corner, like this. Okay, now I'm going into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to be like interchanging these two palettes, and I'm just going to go into like another darker brown shade. Kind of just do like the same thing that I previously did, but I'm going to focus this more on like the outer corner. This time I'm actually going to take like a true brown, and I'm basically just going to like directly put this in my outer corner. I'm going to go into like a shimmery brown shade, and I'm going to put this on like my outer lid, I guess. Alright, and so I'm just placing that shade right here, if you guys can see that. I'm going to go into this kind of champagne kind of color. You'll see in a second. And just putting it on my outer corner. Inner corner, sorry. The lower lash line is super easy. I'm just going to take some of the same shades that I put in my crease on my lower lash line. Alright, and I'm just going to put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and there are just a few more steps. I'm going to be using some highlighter, and of course a good makeup look always has to have some highlighter. The third and final product that I'll be using from BALI Body is their Coconut Lip Balm. This is SPF 15. This is amazing. To be real with you guys, I have so many lip balms. So many. Like, I'm obsessed with lip balms. And I just seem to always like keep reapplying them every 5 minutes because it'll be very nice and moisturized and then it'll just be dry again. But I swear, when I put this on, like, it stays like fresh for like an hour, and then it starts like obviously getting like a little drier and drier. But like with other chapsticks, I swear my lips feel moisturized for like 5 minutes, but this is actually like a really long time, which is good because, you know, you don't want to have to keep applying chapstick because then like that's not good, guys. And it tastes like coconut. Like, if you love coconut, then like you have to get this. Alright guys, in the last and final step, I'm going to be setting my face with this peach scented makeup spray. Come on guys, like, peach, seriously, like, you guys know I had to buy that. Alright, and this is the completed look. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you guys can get a better look at what it looks like. Alright guys, and now I'm going to show you what outfit I would wear. Ooh, so exciting. And I'm also going to show you how I use the body oil. Stay tuned for this because when you're taking pictures at the beach, this will save your life. Not only will this make you look more tan, but the sun and the water reflecting off your beautiful body, like, it's just heaven in a bottle. So stay tuned for that, and I'm also going to show you what outfit I would wear. But this is the top that I am wearing, and it's from Urban Outfitters. It is just a nice white tube top. These are my jeans. They're from PacSun. They have some nice gray rips at the bottom. They're super cute. They're high-waisted, obviously. Okay, and these are the shoes that I'm wearing. They are black old school checkered Vans, the low top ones. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to use this BALI Body Shimmering Body Oil. Super cool. I love this product so much, actually from the bottom of my heart. It's really good. Basically, you just apply it on your arm like so. Wow, this is so cool. I'll show you guys. Look at this. Look how cool this is. You just rub it into your body and it instantly makes you tan. But it just makes your body super tan and super shiny. Woohoo! You can obviously apply how much you want, just depending on how dramatic you want the results. Oh yeah, let's go. Alright. So this is casually just blending oil into my body. So this is perfect for going out with your friends, a boyfriend, just to the beach, going by yourself somewhere, I don't know. This is just perfect. But yeah, just look how nice it makes your skin look. And it washes off, obviously. And I'm just going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up down below. And make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. And hit the notification bell to be notified every time I make a video. And definitely go check out BALI Body's Instagram, YouTube, whatever. I'll leave it all down below. Like, I'm not even joking. I love all these products so much. Like the lip balm, the BB cream, the body oil, everything. I just love it all so much, and I highly recommend you guys go checking out their website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys next Thursday. Or maybe next Tuesday and Thursday. We'll have to see. Bye!